Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of versatile tools with the XXGO 120 PC's Oscillating Multitool Blades Accessories Kit, a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. This comprehensive kit is compatible with a wide range of brands, including Bosch, Chicago, Craftsman, Dremel, Fein, Harbor Freight, Milwaukee, Porter Cable, Ridgid, Ryobi, and Rockwell, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Designed in a modern style and available in striking colors like gold, black, silver, red, and blue, these blades offer universal quick-release features that make them perfect for cutting, scraping, sanding, shaping, polishing, and even tile grouting removal. The kit includes a variety of blade types such as titanium, diamond, carbide, bimetal, precision Japan, wide segment, scraper, and HCS wood cutting blades, along with sanding pads and sandpaper, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. While it's not compatible with certain models like the Craftsman Bolt-On, Bosch MXH180B, and Dremel Multimax M30, it works seamlessly with many others, including Chicago, Fein Genesis, Harbor Freight, JobMax, Milwaukee Nextec, and more. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project or working on a professional job site, this kit provides the durability and performance you need to get the job done efficiently. So, gear up and transform your multi-tool into a powerhouse with the XXGO 120 PC's Oscillating Multitool Blades Accessories Kit, and take your projects to the next level with precision and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.